done it. I've picked up one of my dream cars, the 1970 Mustang Fastback Mach 1. Came with a Morty report and everything. Morty report, whatever. It's ugly. It is not how you would think that car would be, but I gotta buy things that are in my budget. And since I got married, my budget is a lot tighter. So I've already got all the parts ordered. I mean, it's gonna need all the main panels. I haven't got those ordered, but every patch panel I need should be on its way. So with that being said, well, this car is gonna be built in phases. Phase 1, all the patchwork, everything like that. Phase 2, doors, hood, fenders, you know, trunk lid, okay? All right, and then phase 3 will be like interior and stuff, but that's way down the road. All right, here we go. Introducing my 1970 Mustang Fastback Mach 1, or at least what's left of one. Axles have been taken out of it. Here's the front end. Don't worry, this will be good for the channel because put in new radiator support, front battery apron on the passenger side. Probably going to put different suspension in the front, whatever. Like I said, this will be built in phases. Still has the cowl piece. Everything else is pretty good shape, but then you get to the floors and you got more space that you can see through them than space that's blocking. So got one of those on order too. Won't be here till like May. I don't know when I'm putting this video out. This is just a walk around. Today is March 1st. Nope, February 28th. So whatever. It does come with one tail light and bezel, but it has screw holes through it. New ones will be coming. New ones will be coming. Has to have a whole new, oh, where's it at? Battery, or sorry, tail light panel. This one's beat. One's on the way. You can see why the quarter's getting replaced. Gotta have a fuel tank. This car literally needs everything. This quarter panel is on its way. That'll be getting replaced. There's the floor pan again. And, you know, up in the top part up here, it's really not bad. Like, I could probably get away with just replacing this part, but I don't like that tunnel looking that way. I just went ahead and got a new one. So, yeah. That's that. This was a 3-speed car from factory. Does have a lower dash. It was not factory air conditioned. Might have to find me an air conditioner one, or I'll just drill it out and put my own bezels in. But it still does have all 3 pedals. Gonna have to have a dash pad, cluster, all that stuff. This one's gonna be a labor of love, just like the 56. So nothing fast will be coming out of this. But I am buying project cars on halt because I have too many projects. But like I said, it's got front glass, rear glass. This glass will have to be somebody, I don't know if that's glue or what that is. I don't know. But it's mine. And this way I can just put a little bit into it, you know, over the next few years, and we'll see what happens. But right away, first thing, front battery apron and this radiator support, and then we'll work on everything under the floor. I've already got toe boards ordered for both sides, torque boxes for both sides. I don't even know if that one had a torque box. I'm not sure if this one did either, but I'm putting them in. And then I've got this piece ready because I'll just drop the spot welds and fix that. But other than that, the frame looks pretty good from what I can tell. No crazy rust holes. So that's my 1970 Mach 1 Fastback. A lot of my friends must have thought for some reason that I was going to buy something nice. When have I ever? But anyways, I got to get to basketball practice, coach these heathens. But that's been this episode of DemBarnyardBuilds. Peace.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check.